Y'all, good morning on this lovely Wednesday. I'm gonna be going into work today. Wow, I'm working on Wednesday. Can you believe that? Yes. I have my emergency feminine bag. What do you call this bag? I forgot. So anyway, so I have my emergency bag. I have pads in here. I'm gonna put a Band-Aid in here. And stuff. I'm gonna carry this one to work, and then I have my makeup brushes in this one, and some scissors, a pen, marker, and my stylus pen. So 2 bags I'm gonna carry with me today to work. And I gotta get my umbrella because it is raining outside and I do not want to be shivering cold in this rain. But by the way, good morning, how are y'all doing? I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this video today, so by the time you get this video, it'll be evening time or nighttime or late at night on your side. But yeah, let me check the time because I gotta keep track of time. Okay, y'all. Let me spray on some perfume. Already put on some perfume before I turned on the camera. This Jean Marc Paris. I don't know why stuff keeps falling. And then I'm gonna put this one on. Like I'm running out. And then I also have some Be Pure deodorant and body spray. It was $3 at the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and purchased it. I think this is like a dupe of the Native deodorant body spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little. I'm like overdoing stuff because I don't want to be at work sleeping. I got my bag, I got my work badge and everything. Perfume in there, and then my makeup bag. Speaking of makeup, this one is eyeshadow primer. I'll just do my makeup at work today because I really don't have time to put on makeup this morning because I got up on time, but not in time to do my makeup, if you get what I mean. Wearing this bag today and my gray jacket. And get ready to go. Oh, I want to carry my water bottle. Oh, welcome back. Okay, so preparing to go to New York and Florida now. Y'all, welcome back. I am off of work. Shocking. I went to work today on a Wednesday. I never work the weekdays. I'm always working the weekends. But good news, I'm about to go to New York, and I'm going to be going to Florida because I have to travel to these two places. And got the suitcases, got the toiletry bags and stuff. All that's good. And then right now I'm in my calendar for the month of December, and I need to check a date because I need to make sure I'm here. And then I just need to make a note of it on my calendar in the month of December. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, and it's on a Monday. That's great because don't give me no appointments on no Fridays or Saturdays. Maybe Fridays sometimes, but I normally work those days on the weekend. I need to make a note to myself at the top of the planner. Get out this highlighter because it's about taking care of business. Yeah, so I'm just so shocked at myself. I actually went into work today. Today was a beautiful day. I need to charge this tablet too. I should have done this last night, but I didn't. I have so many chargers. Let me see where that charger at. This one is it. Yeah, so today was a blessed day. And now it's time to get ready to fly to the East Coast. I am so excited. Let me plug this up. So the tablet will cut on in a little bit, but I'm just so shocked at myself. I went to work today, like, wow. It felt good going to work on a weekday, something that I do not normally do, but I really had a good day at work today. Let me make another note. Put this up. I need to put this in my bag. And guess what? Where's my freaking Dupe Stanley cup? Hold on, y'all. So I got my, jackets for New York. Warm outfits. I'm not sure what the weather is going to be like once I get to New York. And then Florida, because I haven't been in a minute. And it's that time of the season where the weather is like cold and stuff. But so excited. Now, y'all, I am in my Stanley Cup dupe era. Like, I remember when people were all excited about these cups on TikTok, and I do not even watch TikTok. I do not even have a TikTok account. But on YouTube, I see videos where people talk about the Stanley Cup dupes, like YouTube short reels or YouTube shorts that show TikTok videos, blah, blah, blah. But anywho, said I never buy one of these cups, nor a Stanley Cup, okay? But this one is a fake Stanley Cup. So happy I got it, but the thing is, I want to make a charm for my Stanley dupe cup, and I have my little craft bag, and it's good that I have some pink stretchy bracelet. What do you call this? Pink stretchy bracelet stretch stuff. And I need to get out my scissors, but I'm too lazy. So I'm gonna use this stretchy string. Alexa, what's the weather in New York? See. Okay, yeah, so it's gonna be cold. Okay, Alexa, what's the weather in Orlando, Florida? Look at that. I was gonna order some charms off of Temu, I might still order some charms off of Temu, but I'm like, I have little thingies. I can, you know, get creative and create my own little charms. So maybe I'll put this one. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and put this one. I can tie it, you know. I'm trying to hold it up to where y'all can see. Oh, I like it. It's cute, y'all. Like, look at that. I know y'all probably like, girl, that ain't nothing, but it's something to me. Oh, and another thing, I have this Juicy Couture little bracelet. I've had this bracelet for about 7 years, and it's all rusted and stuff. But I'm thinking about putting it on my little, well, this cup ain't little, this Stanley wannabe cup. So okay, y'all, this tripod right here, this part is good, but this part is broke right here. Like, come on, stuff falling everywhere. I gotta hurry up because I need to get ready. And I also got out this bracelet that I made a while back. I need to try to fix this tripod a little bit because I need to. Come on. Stuff falling. I'm so happy that I'm already, you know, packed, but I gotta make sure that everything is packed for the trip. Let me see if this stand on its own, because I need to like create like a little stand, and I'm gonna have to buy some more tape. Let me see if this is stand up. Yep. Let me show y'all that it is stand up because I have to get creative, okay? See, now it is stand. Now it's a tripod. See how creative your girl got? With some black tape. I stay buying black tape at the Dollar Tree. I do, because I be needing it. It be coming in handy. I'm not crazy about Black Friday like I used to be when I was younger. It's just another day. That's all that it is, another day. But I know this. I want to sign up for a Hulu subscription. I think I'm going to do that because they have a Black Friday promotion going on. I don't know if it's going on right now, but it might be going on Black Friday. So I'm gonna look into that, get a subscription. So far I have a Sam's Club subscription, and next we need to get a Hulu subscription. But now, yeah, I'm ready for a new television subscription. Let me get Hulu. I'll do that. And then, yeah, that's about it. That's about it. That's the only Black Friday little celebration I'm gonna be doing. Anything. I'm not buying anything. So yeah, this year, no, because I gotta save up money for my home on the East Coast. I'll go over this next week. Tired, but so far got work out of the way today on a Wednesday. So proud of myself. I'm shocked, but I'm proud of myself. And as I was working today, I was thinking maybe I should work Wednesdays and Thursdays, and I'll always have the weekend off. So I'll have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then work Wednesday, Thursday. But then I'm like, nah, you know what? I'm gonna keep my Fridays and Saturdays work schedule because I'm off during the week. And during the week, I can get a lot of things done on weekdays. That's why I love to not work during the week, because if I have to go to Florida, I can go during the week. But when it comes to the weekend, your girl gotta be at work. Yeah. So travel, spend more time with my family during the week and stuff, but on the weekends go to work, you know, so I have more time for myself and my family. Coming up, I need to do some uniform shopping. I need to get some more scrub tops. This is a new scrub top, and then I have a green one, but I want to get like a different style. I'm not gonna go too crazy shopping for any scrub tops, but I plan on going to go buy some new scrubs maybe when I get back from, you know, the East Coast. I think that's it, y'all. I need to get ready. The kitchen's clean, garbages are taken out. The bathroom, the tub is clean. Everything is clean. Clean, clean, clean. The house is clean. Laundry is clean, you know. Can't be coming back home to no dirty house. So it's gonna be a quick trip. Enjoy your Thanksgiving tomorrow, and also have fun if you're going shopping on Black Friday. Yeah, I will talk to y'all in the next vlog. Y'all take care, and I will see y'all again. Good night. Sorry for cutting this vlog so short, but your girl is tired. I gotta get ready. And on top of that, I need to get in some soap and water. But I will see y'all later. Bye.